Innovation doesn't wait. It pushes boundaries, breaks limits, and sets the stage for the extraordinary. This is the next chapter. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, a masterpiece of design, power, and technology. Reserve yours today by clicking the link in the description or in the bio and unlock exclusive rewards, $50 in free credit, triple Samsung rewards points, and an entry into a $5,000 sweepstakes. Let your world come to life on a 6.9-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, crafted with second-generation Gorilla Glass armor for unmatched durability. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating, every pixel delivers brilliance. Every motion is buttery smooth. Step into the spotlight with the 12-megapixel selfie camera, designed to capture you in stunning detail, day or night. And behind the lens, pure power. A quad camera system led by a groundbreaking 200-megapixel primary camera, engineered to turn fleeting moments into breathtaking masterpieces. Zoom, capture, and relive every detail like never before. Under the hood, it's a beast. The overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset delivers unparalleled speed, performance, and efficiency. Paired with 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of UFS 4 storage, you've got the power to do it all and store it all without compromise. Welcome to the next level of connection. 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. Future-ready tech that ensures you're always a step ahead. Fuel your day and then some with the 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Work harder, play longer, and charge less. But it's not just a phone. It's a revolution, a statement, a companion for those who demand the best and settle for nothing less. This is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, designed to inspire, built to endure. Reserve yours now. Click the link in the description or in the bio and claim your exclusive rewards. $50 in free credit, triple Samsung rewards points, and a chance to win $5,000. The future isn't waiting. Why should you?